This is Ideal 197. I will show you a modified Nerf gun. This is modding instructions number 2. But this time, you place it in your recon. You put stock here, then you're done. After it's you put the barrel here. If you do have a Stampede, you could put the Stampede bipod here, and then lastly a long shot scope. After, I'll show you the range. Going through that door. Okay, first I should put the thing. While waiting, I'll put the camera back. Let's start. That's pretty long. Next one. This time with scope. But I'll show you again the bipod. It's just there. Now let's see. You could see fire. Okay, this is Ideal 197 signing up. Don't forget tomorrow to see Backyard Monsters number 4.